Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to build this app. It's a ListView, and we will get the data from the internet and display as a ListView. Okay, let's start. I just create an empty project and installed these two packages. One is HTTP and the other one is the cache network image. You can find in the package dot. Okay. Now the first step is we need to remove this button and this text. Okay, to make it clean, remove. Okay, it's gone. And let's import the HTTP. Okay, and then cache the package. And the first step is we need to overwrite. We need to overwrite initial state. We want to call a function get JSON data function, and let's call it get JSON data. Okay, now let's create a function. Print okay. Now we need to call this API, the get the data function. Okay, let's just copy this one. Okay, we're gonna get this URL because it has photos like this, and we will display a photo like this one. Yep, let's do this. This is the URL. Let's bring up the JSON response. Okay, we got this response. Now the next step is we need to build a view to store this data, to display this data. And we are gonna use a container. Okay. We need a widget is called build ListView. And let's return ListView user. And heading is constant let's make it 16, and the item count, make it 10, and item builder, context, let's pass a context and index. Let's return a list title. Title is text data, and subtitle is test. Likes 1. Okay, there you go. And we need to add a photo. Let's use another widget. Let's call it build image. Command is out, and then we need another widget. We need a container. Decoration, box decoration, color. Let's give it blue and 50%. Save it. Then let's give the margin cost 8 pixel, and define the children. Okay, let's return this one. Okay, back. Now we need to add the image. Okay, our layout is done. Now we need to pass the data into Chrome. Let's call it item. So we need to pass the item here. Item. Okay, it's the data based on the index and the basic data. We need to define a data to store the data to store JSON data. Let's define it as a list, and we can set state here. Data is the JSON response, and it's a result. Okay, we got problem. We need to define it as a future. Future string. Stop. I think the error is because this one. We need to use data. If it's null, then it's 0, else. Now we can pass the item. What does the item look like? Check this one. It has a description and maybe let's use the user and the name. Okay. Item user. And passing max. Okay, we need to pass the int to string. Okay, now the next step is we need to get this image. Let's take a small one because small one is faster. Okay, let's put okay. Okay, it's done. Okay, displaying the same data as this one.